Hi everyone. In this lecture, we are going to go over the object lamp, and this one's got two options. You have a bit lamp or a word lamp. So if we pick the bit lamp, it would have two states, and you have an on and off. So you would assign your device type, and you can pick your figures just like we did on the switch option. It's the same function. Nothing's really different. You can pick on. You can do a blink on that. And see, you can switch your lamps right here. You don't have to go back and pick a word lamp if you had a bit lamp or vice versa. So just so you know, you can go to text. This again has the same option. You have a text or you have a comment list, and text has 5 different options. Your text could be in the middle or on either of the 4 corners of it. And under the extend, since it's a lamp only, you only have a display, and you can do an offset on it. And this one only has one offset, which is for the lamp. Then trigger, you can do a trigger on it if you want to enable or disable the lamp for some reason, and you can do a display based on uh, uh, if you want to display based on a bit address here. So now one thing these lamps have different is a script. If you go to script, you can run a script, and the script would show up as long as the lamp's visible, stuff like that. And you can create your own script here. You go to the editor for the lamp only and create a script for it. And also the editor has a syntax check, so you can use that. And there's a setting for the trigger on the lamp. You can run the script for so long using the lamp as a object. So yep, that's it for the lamp on the bit side of it. Now we'll go get a word lamp. As the name suggests, word lamp is more used, so you can have multi-state indicator. You can have like 4 states, 5 states, whatever you want. I don't know what the maximum number is, but that can get a pretty high. And the numbers don't have to be in order, so you can have like 50, 100 to 50 as far as your state number goes. So, for example, if I do a D50 here, and I want to add a second state, I can make it 15. Oh, yeah. So you can click on the expression, make it look at 5. Now see how it's looking kind of weird, so we'll go change the shape on it, make it a rectangular shape. So yeah, there you go. Now you have 0 and 1. 1 it's on, 0 it's off. And now if I click on plus, it's going to add a second state. See how it puts it in the order, but not really in the order. So you can use this up and down key to move it back. You can change the color on it from here. If now this drop down, usually it would show up the last 2 figures that you picked, so you could do it like this. Then if you go back to shape, you can make it a bright green color. So now if we go to the text tab here, that's where you would write your text here, or you would write it based on the comment list. Here this would be more based on the device value itself. And you can offset your comment group as well if you want, and you can have multi-language based on your language switch too. So this is basically the same stuff that we looked at in the switch side of it. Now under the extend, you have the same option. Triggers the same thing, and you have a script operation. The difference is you can do like a data operation on this, so you can do bit shift or mask some bits. If you want to move them around, you can do that kind of stuff. So I usually do all these in the PLC unless you really need to. You could also do like a data expression thing and show the value with a number on it or something like that. So that's what you have for the word lamp. Like I said, you can grow this as you want, and you can have different options. It could be a reel as well. So that's it for the lamp option under objects. Thank you.